here supporting. He's through from the left side. The flag stays down. Good chance to take the lead. And Meghalaya have scored 20 minutes into the game.
Mynken Christian Higher Secondary School Bhoirymbong na Ri Bhoi kabala mihkhmat ya Jylla haka Under-17 International Subroto Cup hajar pusau kala rung shaka final bat kata kadai hadien bakalala aban Pynliem no ya ka Arunachal Pradesh daka nyoko lanot haka jingiakhun semi-final kabala long mynta sngi Nongbah Dehli.
Here supporting. He's through from the left side. The flag stays down. Good chance to take the lead. And Meghalaya have scored 20 minutes into the game. He celebrates in style because he's given his team the advantage. And speak of the star. And he stepped up. Mr. Lindham, that's great to see you watching the game from the Department of Sport and Youth Affairs. Of course, it will motivate all these players so much to know that all of you are watching this match. Mr. 9 says Meghalaya will win 3-0. It's an interesting prediction. Rest of you do shoot in your predictions as well. Brother versus brother. There we go. I thought it was the sisters in the northeast. But yeah, however you want to put it across. I did mention early on it's the Northeastern Derby. And we're going to have a Northeastern Derby in the finals as well. Manipur will play one of these two teams. Question is which of these two teams Arunachal Pradesh will have to equalize in order to be in contention for that, because they are trailing by a goal. Indeed, my friend, Mr. 9, the name does the fans, and I think that is something that we do different here at Sportscast India and take pride on, the ability to speak to all the fans watching the game, which makes it so much more interesting for us. He's through, he has a good chance, 1v1, will he make that pass? Oh, there we go. My man is showing off and he deserves to do so because he's had a wonderful tournament. It's not our usual goal scorer, it's a jersey number more than that. He's come off the bench and found the back of the net. Forget that their campaign has been one to remember, although they have a match to forget here in the semi-finals, losing 7-0. But I'm sure a lot of positives and more importantly, a lot of friendships attained. All the players do meet each other, do take away a lot of aspects of friendships. I've heard stories of how players meet each other. They decide to go to the same college in a different state. They play together. So a lot of bonds are created as well. So those are the important factors along with the exposure that they attain. Obviously winning is there, but a good campaign for Arunachal Pradesh as well, as they will bid farewell to the Subroto Cup and also potentially wish luck to Meghalaya side, because I think all of us sports persons, we love to support the team that actually beat us. You hope for them to win. The referee urging him to quickly take the corner. There we go. The cheers come in for